Welcome to Gourd Island Conservation Area, part of a larger network of protected lands in rapidly growing northern St. Johns County. Together, these connected conservation areas help safeguard water quality, support water storage, and provide habitat for native plants and wildlife. Gourd Island is made up primarily of floodplain swamp along Durbin and Sampson creeks, with pockets of mesic flatwoods and sandhills scattered throughout the landscape. Though the land was once used for commercial silviculture, today it plays an important role in regional conservation, strengthening habitat connectivity and protecting natural resources as development expands around it. With 3.3 miles of trails, you can hike or bike through a mix of wet and dry ecosystems. Gourd Island Conservation Area is more than preserved land. It's a vital link in a protected landscape, rising above the swamp as a restored sanctuary for nature and water alike.